Introduce highlight features or overview summary of MAMIZO 4-burner outdoor propane gas grill. That's include high output burners. Gas grill contains 4 main burners, 10,000 BTU each, and 1 side burner, 12,000 BTU. You can adjust the flame combined with the 5 control knobs, 52,000 BTU output in total. You can quickly start your barbecue time, just pressing the control knob and then turn to quickly start the ignition system, heat control by turning of knobs. Heat retention. 4 stainless steel burners, 4 galvanized plate flame tamers and cast iron cooking grates distribute even heat across the entire grilling surface, preventing hot or cold spots on grates. Double-layer stainless steel lid has good thermal insulation, keeping the food tasty. A lid-mounted temperature gauge monitors the cooking temperature in real time. Large cooking area and storage cabinet. Propane gas grill features 414 square inch cast iron main cooking area, 91 square inch enameled grill auxiliary cooking area and 260 square inch cooking preparation area. While you can put the propane tank, grilling tools, and many other accessories into the double-layer stainless steel magnetic cabinet door, making barbecue more efficient and organized. Easy to clean. Stainless steel surface enhances durability and aesthetics, and enameled cast grill resists cracking. The pull-out grease tray with hanging oil collector can effectively collect grease and residue during cooking. Just need to pull the tray out, pour out the grease, clean and put it back in place, making cleaning a breeze. Easy assembly and movement. Propane barbecue grill comes with detailed instructions and equipped with a hose. Just you connect the propane tank to the grill, you can start grilling. While 2 galvanized locking casters and 2 galvanized non-locking caster make it easier and less effort to secure and move the grill for barbecue parties. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.